Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to reset Disney Plus app on Windows 10 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To reset Disney Plus app on Windows 10 computer, click on Start menu, click on Settings, click on Apps. In left pane, click on Apps and Feature. Now scroll down. Here you will find an app Disney Plus. Just select Disney Plus and then click on Advanced Options. Now scroll down. Here you will find Reset. If app is not working right, reset it. The app data will be deleted. Just click on Reset. You will find an warning. This will permanently delete the app's data on this device. Okay, click on Reset again. Now Disney Plus has been reset. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.